Welcome! In this video we will generate a variable rate operation for a tractor or spray drone. Operations enable you to divide the agricultural field, allowing you to apply different rates of agricultural inputs based on the current state of the plants. By applying a variable rate across the field, you can more effectively target areas that require additional input and those where excessive input would be detrimental. Variable rate applications aim to save money, increase efficiency, and reduce environmental impact by optimizing the application of agricultural inputs. To create an operation, click Operation in the Layers menu on the left side of the interface. Depending on how you create the layer, the number of steps will change. To work with a previously generated index, select Zonation and click Continue. Select the desired index, boundary, and obstacles if applicable, then click Continue. Next, based on the agricultural input to be used, select the current unit and assign a clear and easy to identify name to the layer. Click Continue. The cell size is determined by the nozzle size of the machinery used to apply the prescription. Check the manufacturer's recommendations to ensure the operation matches the machinery's capabilities. Align the grid to the crop rows and ensure the entire field is covered by the grid. Click Continue. You can define the range to be used to calculate the operation. When satisfied, click Continue. One method to address areas with insufficient data is to adjust this setting. This can be used to remove areas around the outside of the field and other areas where insufficient data is available to apply the input correctly. When ready, click Continue. It is recommended to have an odd number of zones. The index value used to calculate the cell can be modified, as well as the zone detail based on the machinery that will be used to apply the operation. You can modify the zone distribution according to your desired operation. The settings applied will show the area in each zone. Click Create Operation Layer to add the layer to the project. Once created, you can fill in empty cells based on the data in adjacent cells. To complete the prescription, add the desired quantities of agricultural input to each of the zones. Pix40 Fields provides you with the required quantity of agricultural input to purchase to complete the variable rate application. To export the variable rate operation, click Export and select the options corresponding to your farm machinery. If you work with the John Deere Operations Center, you can use this option to connect directly. The operation we created using this workflow can be used with various farm machinery, including tractors, field sprayers, and spray drones. We hope this tutorial video demonstrating how to generate a variable rate operation was helpful. See you in the next one.